Hello everyone, this is Ben Brooks over at MINI Pensacola and Sandy Sansing BMW. Wanted to highlight another one of our trade-ins, and check this out. This is a 2018 MINI Cooper S Clubman. It's got a nice Lapisluxury Blue Metallic paint job with that nice melting silver roof. And this one pretty much has every single option that you could get on a Mini possible back in 2018. Look at those nice Mini Years Masterpiece wheels. Plenty of tread life on those Pirelli tires. Notice in the front we do have the LED headlights. We also got the sensors in the front bumper that will alert us the closer that we get to those curbs or any kind of obstacles in front of us. Nice S badging right here, so we know that means again that it has 189 horses. And check this feature out in the back, since it does have the comfort access. As long as we have the key on us, if our hands are full, with the wave of our foot, we can simply swing forward and we're able to open up each door without touching the door. So very handy if our hands are full and we have heavy objects, we can easily open the door of the car. Now, as far as storage space in the rear, cubby holes in each door panel. And we also have the cubby holes here, cubby holes there. Look at all that interior space. And check this out, additional cargo spaces underneath here. So we have plenty of room to carry whatever we need, whether it be some lumber, plywood from Lowe's like my neighbor uses his for, or whatever. With the simply folding down to the rear seats, we can create more storage space. Check that out. Again, this 2018 MINI Cooper S Clubman only has a little bit over, maybe a little bit less than 21,000 miles. So it has fairly super low miles for this year. Let's actually confirm the miles on here. Let's see. Oh wow, check that out, only 20,921 miles. We do have the head-up display. We got our center instrument with our navigation touchscreen, might I add, so very easy at our fingertips. We got dual climate control. We got heated front seats for the driver and the passenger. We also have, this one will even parallel park itself. All we do is operate the brake and the gas, and the car steers itself into that space to parallel park when we put it in reverse. Of course, we do have our drive modes. Notice also in the center instrument, or the center stack, we have our features that we're able to easily access the media, the communication, the map, the nav. We can use the knob here to operate everything on the screen, or we can use the voice commands by simply pressing a button here on the steering wheel. Over on this side, we also have our cruise control. Automatic lights are standard, of course. And check that out, it does have the Harmon Kardon sound system. So up top, take a look, you see that nice panoramic sunroof, able to let some light in on these nice seats. And again, this car does have power seats for the driver and the passenger. So again, if you're looking for a gently used Clubman Cooper S, this might be the one. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive and see how it handles. Now, one thing you'll notice a lot on these new generation Minis moving forward is that when you come to a complete stop at a light or in traffic, you notice the engine shuts off. Again, that's a great way to cut down on loss. That's a great way to cut down on fuel costs and to cut down on air pollution. This one does feature that auto stop button. But again, MINI and BMW gives you control over that. So if you do not want the car to turn off, you can simply disable it. You see the orange light will come on and that feature is disabled. But again, there's no hesitation when it's time to take off or start back up. Just simply remove your foot from the brake, and before you can press the gas, the car instantly starts up. So just another way, new technology to help cut down on pollution and save some gas. All right, so as we're driving this Mini on a highway, there's minimum road noise. You can see those doors are really nice and secure and thick, insulated. Acceleration in this MINI Cooper S Clubman is very brisk with that 4-cylinder 189 horsepower. There's no hesitation, especially when we kick it up a notch into the sport mode. We can really feel or hear the exhaust and feel the increase in the performance. So again, we'll take a look in the cabin area here. Take a look up there at that sunroof. And again, another cool thing I like about this Mini is the ample space in the rear seat area for any rear seat passengers. We can comfortably carry 2 or 3 adults back there. Also like those split folding rear seats, you got that 40-20-40 action going on. So whether you need to fold down half of the seat or just the center armrest area for some skis or lumber, you can do it, whichever you prefer. You can fold them all down or each section. So that's a really handy feature in this vehicle. So let's go ahead, we'll get up on the interstate and we'll see how she handles. Alrighty, so we get a chance to take this one out on an open road and see how it handles. Nice head-up display. Shows us our speed compared to the posted speed. It's really good at nighttime also. And also on that head-up display, we will also it will also display any incoming calls that we have if we have our cell phone connected via Bluetooth, and also give us our turn-by-turn directions. Again, all displayed on this nice head-up display here in the middle. Very nice riding car. Definitely this one was well maintained by the previous owner. I did notice a couple on the hood, a little small, not quite rock chips, but maybe some bug damage there, but nothing major at all on this car. And again, like I said, I think I said it already, but it has a super low 20,900 and so miles. So again, very low miles for an 18. So if you are in the market for a Clubman, please be sure to give me a call. This might be the one. Like I said, it's a 2018 MINI Cooper S Clubman. Fully loaded practically. It's got the premium package, technology package. It's got the nice upgraded Meteors wheels. It's got the LED headlights, fog lights, parking assistant, navigation, pretty much everything, power seats. And again, this is Ben Brooks over at MINI of Pensacola and Sandy Sensing BMW. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like it if you did, and also be sure to subscribe for my future videos. So again, I hope you continue to have a great day and look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.